Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make simple kale salad easy method. Tear the kale into bite-sized pieces and rinse well, then massage with a splash of oil and salt to soften. Whisk a quick lemon vinaigrette, toss with shaved Parmesan, toasted seeds, and optional dried fruit. Let the salad rest for a few minutes to absorb flavors, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving warm or chilled. Gather your ingredients before starting to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Remove the tough kale stems, stack and slice into ribbons for easy eating, then measure the olive oil, lemon, and Parmesan. Toast seeds briefly in a pan to deepen flavor, and prepare any optional mix-ins like apple slices or raisins. Keeping everything ready lets you assemble quickly and taste as you go for a balanced salad. Start by massaging the kale with a little oil and salt until leaves soften and the texture becomes pleasant. Whisk lemon juice and oil into a vibrant dressing and pour over the kale, ensuring full coverage. Add Parmesan and toasted seeds, toss thoroughly, then allow the salad to rest so flavors meld and bitterness softens. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness with a pinch of salt or a drizzle of honey before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.